Question 5. Jamal plays 15 games of 10-pin bowling. Here are his scores: 72, 59, 75, 66, 79, and so on. Part A says draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram to show Jamal's score. So you have to know what a stem and leaf diagram looks like, and you've got a vertical line here, and the numbers in here are going to be your stem, and the numbers in here is going to be the leaf part of your stem and leaf. Okay, so first of all you look at your data. So in this case it's 15 bits of data, 15 scores from his bowling. The lowest one is in the 50s, the highest one is in the 80s. So let's do our stem first. So the number is going to be in the 50s. It's represented by that 5, 6, 7, and 80s there. Okay, so now we start putting our data in. So we've got 59. That's a good idea to cross them off while we put them in. Remember, they must be in order. Okay, so you've got 59 is the smallest number in this data. So I think we've only got one number that's in the 50s. So let's do the 60s. So the smallest 60s is 63. So we just put a 3 here. Now that 3 there represents 63. You've got 65, then 66, 65, and 66. You've also got another 66, and that's all the 60s. So let's do the 70s. Smallest 70s, 71. Second smallest, 72. Third smallest in the 70s, let's see, 75 and 75. You've also got 76, 77, 76, 77. You've got 79 and 79. So 9 and 9 there represent 79. And onto the 80s, you've got 83 and also 89. Perfect. Okay, now the numbers in the leaf must be in order. Okay, so you've got 59 here, 63, 65, 66, 66. As you can see, it's going from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, the biggest number here is 89. And they shouldn't really have commas in between these bits of data, and they should be lined up like this. Okay, so sometimes I see students kind of really scrunch up the 70s here because there's lots more of them. They should be in lines. Okay, to finish this off you need the key. Okay, so the key, you can choose any bit of data. Normally it's just the smallest one, so you show this here. So 5 and then the line and a 9 represents 59. Okay, and that's the key. And this is a 3-mark question. And let's have a quick look at what the mark scheme says to get those 3 marks. So the first mark is if any 2 of these rows are correct. Any of the 2 are fine. So that's 1 mark. The second mark comes from them all being fine. And the third mark comes from the key. And that's your 3 marks. And that's it.